We just put the range of Joe's and Sam's and medians of Joe's and Sam's. So time to compare. The range of Joseph's bill is greater than the range of Samuel's bill. That's right. And the second sentence, median of Joseph, let's change the color, median of Joseph where bills is less than the median of the Samuel's bills. Is that right?
Yeah.
This is less than that. Both correct. Answer is D. Next. Any question? So question number 12. Okay. The table above presents information about the 810 train cars in service on a railroad. Approximately what percentage of the train cars in service are double-decker cars? It's going to be double-decker. Double-decker cars that have been serviced less than 10 years. Double-decker here. And less than 10 years.
16.
Where is the intersection point?
Right there.
16. D? No. So because this is percent. This is FG. So what we're looking for, approximate what percentage of train cars in service. So percentage of that. 16 out of yes, it's given, right? The total is given. You all have calculators. Go ahead.
2%.
And at the end, don't forget to multiply by 100. Go ahead. You all have your calculators. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't wait. Don't wait someone else to solve. Just do that.
Approximately 2%. Oh, 52%.
We're going to multiply this one by 100 times 100. My computer is suffering. Okay, I hope I'm going to format this before it's lagging. So when I click enter, it's not going to work out. That's why you're going to click control enter. Okay, control enter. So it's 1.9, then you round it up.
Approximately 2%. That's what it says.
Yes, it's saying approximately 2%. Is there any question on this? Okay, moving company Easy Move uses plastic wrap to bundle groups of boxes together. If a portion of plastic wrap that measures 900 inches. So underline
That's a lot of inches.
the unit in length is used to bundle each group of boxes. How many groups of boxes can be bundled using 1500 feet? So what I know, this is in terms of feet. 1 feet is equal to how many inches? 12 inches. How about 1500 feet? So as you see, guys, feet going under feet. So well, I'm going to find X inches.
What am I doing?
So how many inches? 1500 feet is going to be 18,000 inches.
Yeah.
Okay, what I need? 900 inches to bundle each group, saying each. So one group, 900. I have 18,000. How about each? Divide by 900. Go ahead and do that. Again, gets.
That's what I guess.
So each zeros will be canceling out. So 180 over 9. 18 divided by is equal to 2. I have 1 0 here.
I just did it the feet instead of.
That works. Perfect works. In a cheeseburger at 6 different restaurants, What is the difference in the number of calories in a cheeseburger at a Riverside dinner? Where's that? Riverside dinner is this. And the median number of calories in cheeseburger at all 6. Okay, so median, how am I gonna find median?
So you would from smallest to biggest.
Okay, let's order them smallest through the highest. So smallest is 700. Tell me the numbers, help me.
700, 740, 810, 900, 1050, 1100,
1050.
20.
So, okay, let's find the middle number. Eliminate one left, one right. One left, one right. So we have two middle numbers. So what I'm gonna do? Yes, take the average of that two number. Add them at divide by 2. It's gonna be. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the? Get back to question. What is the difference in between the Riverside dinner, which is here, and the number? You have calculators? Can you do that for me?
265.
Yes, that's what I don't remember what.
Who guessed this question and got the right answer?
What's the answer?
It's
Oh, I guessed the right answer.
Okay. So, in order to solve this question, you guys
the equation.
took geometry. Actually, you should be knowing the formula. We do have a formula.
Absolutely no idea.
X minus
I didn't remember.
h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, r is the radius, is given. 3. And then h and k represents the center of the circle, coordinates of center of the circle, its own coordinate plane. Okay, it's just 1 point. So in this case, it's given 4, h is 4, k is -2. Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Then the rest is just plug-in question. This is one of the easiest questions as long as you know the formula. So just plug it in. X minus h squared plus y minus, what is k? -2. That's why I use parentheses. So let me write that again. So y, 2 negatives, negative times negative. Correction. So there's a long paragraph. I'm not going to read that. Question number 16. If 9th grade student at a high school is chosen at random, which of the following is closest to the probability that the student will have GPA of 3 or greater? 3 or greater, 9th grade students. It's not talking about how many 9th grade students we have? 327. So in that type of questions, we do part over whole. Get your calculators and put the numbers. What is part? GPA of 3 or greater. 3 or greater, what is that? 61 plus 95 is equal to 156, because 3 or greater, the sum of that two number. 61 plus 95, 156. Part, this is the part. What is whole? Entire 9th graders. Go to calculator and then put those numbers in and tell me what will we get.
An answer. 447,700. And then you move the decimal to the right.
Yes. then you need to multiply by 100, this one. Result times 100 because it's supposed to be percent. What'd you get?
47.
47.
Oh, it's not. Yeah, it shouldn't be times.
I'm a new soul.
Probability.
No, you keep it like that.
You keep it like that. Okay, it's not telling you the percent, right?
Yeah.
It's the probability question. It's not the percent. Okay. 0.7. When you round it up, it's going to be 0.48.
I did it.
Question number 17. What is the difference to the nearest whole percent? Okay, this question about percent. Between the percentage of students, okay, the English part is important in this question. Pay attention. Difference between the percentage of students enrolled in Propel. We're looking for the ones who enrolled in Propel first. Enrolled in Propel. Who among them had a GPA of 3 or greater? So, which number? Yes. Among the students enrolled in Propel, the ones, not all of them, only the ones got 3 or higher GPA is 61. Okay? And what is the nearest whole percent between the percentage of the students who enrolled? So it's same percentage out of 100, right? But in this case, what is the whole number going to be? So 61 is just a number, but we're looking for the percentage out of 327. How did you get that? 109 is correct. How did you get 109?
How did you get that?
61 plus 48.
Yes, among the students, read the question. The percentage of students enrolled in Propel, all of them. Among those students, the ones got only 3 and higher. So, we're going to use these numbers. And another sentence, close another sentence, and 12%. When you get the difference of that two fraction with your calculator, you guys will get 12%. Yes, let's start.
Wait,
It's-
do an intro.
Alright guys, we're back.
Make sure you're.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to cover lesson 1.8 SAT prep review questions. Okay, all the students enrolled in the Propel program, the ratio of boys to girls, okay, P over G is equal to 2/3. It could be, if there are 5 students in that class, going to be, definitely there's going to be 2 boys and 3 girls. It could be 20 boys, 30 girls, right? That means there are going to be 50 students in a class. That, since I don't know it, how many exactly, I'll just put here x's. Whatever is x will give us the right number. So, all of the students enroll in the Propel program. Okay, again, get back to the Propel program. Here, which of the following is the best estimate of the number of girls in the program? What program? Enrolled in Propel program. So what is the total? What was the total number?
109.
Yes, total 109. And since it's saying that 109 is the total. So what is the total number, boys and girls?
Well, you see.
Isn't that 5x? They're supposed to match, right? Because this is the ratio is given.
Yep.
2 to 3. As I said, it could be like 20 to 30, not enough, right? If I call x is 10, it's going to be around 50, so it's not going to reach out here. So that's why they're supposed to be equal. And it's also saying that approximately, as you guys see, 109 is not divisible by 5. I'm just going to round it up to 110. X is equal to divide by 5. X equal 22, okay?
Yes, because there's 5 parts.
So what we're looking for?
Times.
22 is not an answer, so
Yeah.
times.
Yeah, put it in together.
Exactly. So we're looking for how many girls enrolled. So these are boys. And we're looking for girls, which is 3x, right? 3 times x is 22, 66 approximately.
65 because that's the
Whoa! So an artist is creating a sculpture using bendable metal rods of equal length. One rod is formed into the shape of the square, and another rod is into the shape of an equilateral triangle. Okay, we're gonna have one square, and at the same time we're going to have a equilateral triangle, but it's supposed to be same equal length because we're using the same material, which is bendable metal rods. There, it's a straight line, but you bend it, same equal bendable metal, and you're gonna make a square, and you're gonna make a equilateral triangle. So in that case, this one look like a little bit bigger than a square because there are 4 pieces. It's divided by 4. This whole length is divided by 3. So this one, that makes sense. This piece, one piece of that should be a little bit longer than the square size. That makes sense? Okay, one rod is formed into the shape of a square and another rod into the shape of an equilateral triangle. If each side of triangle is 2 inches longer than each side of the square. If I call this one, what would you call this one? X plus 2, because it's saying that each side of the triangle is 2 inches longer than each side of the square. How long in inches is each rod? So each rod, like the total, we have such rod, okay? So we made a square and we made a triangle from that. So question is, how long is this? Actually, this is not gonna be x because it's gonna be, when you unfold it, you're gonna get this, right? So total length going to be, right, what is it? 4x. What is the question? Or if I have a triangle, let's talk about triangle. It's equilateral, right? So what is the perimeter of this? 3x plus 2, 4, 6. This one is also equal the same distance. Okay? Okay, so this one shall supposed to be equal 4x. Does that make sense now?
Oh, would you look at that? Yeah.
So solve for x. And how long? How long is this? 4x. 4 times x is the answer. Or what do we know? 4x equals 3x plus 6. X equals 6. When you plug it in here, 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 18 plus 6 equals 24. We can eliminate 2 of the answer choices immediately because apparently C and D, there's no way to simplify that number with that. Okay, let me show why. Because answer choice saying is B, right?
Because.
Okay, we're gonna factor out 2x minus 4. Which number is common? Factor out 2. X minus 2. Okay. Similarly, we have 2 here, right? Look at the denominator, take out 2. Tell me. All right, class.
Take out 2, x squared plus x.
Agree?
Agree.
So then we're gonna factor out, we can also factor denominator this one, x squared plus x squared plus x minus 2. We're gonna factor out that one also. How? Let me do that here. So what are the factors of negative 2? Agree? What are the factors of x? But when I multiply 2 times 1, it's going to be positive. But we need negative. Which one is going to be negative? Either one. Either one. Let's say this is negative. And when I add it up, I'm supposed to get the number here, positive 1x, right? When I do it, oh no, right? I won't be able to get it. So it's going to be plus, this is going to be minus. 2 minus 1 equal 1, so that works. Guys, stay focused. And how we're writing this? Straight across. So x plus 2, x minus 1. Okay. 2, x minus 2, 2, x plus 2, x minus 1. After this question, you're gonna go. So,
That's already the answer.
so read the question. Read the question.
No, that's the answer. That's the answer.
Okay, that's the answer. Read the question.
Okay.
But that's tricky. So, not included in the domain constants and coefficients. Constant and coefficient is not going to be included. We're going to write the equation here. A is equal to 4 times perimeter plus 64. You remember the question already, right? If not, just take a look at it and read one more time. So this is the formula. Landscaper is designing a rectangular fountain with a 4-foot wide pad around it. Here you go. The guy is making something similar to this one, alright? Fountain, water fountain. The landscaper is designing a rectangular fountain with a 4-foot wide pad around it. Yeah, this is not exactly the same, but you can see there are 4-foot pads around. You can imagine something like that. And the equation will relate the area. There is a relation in between perimeter and the area. They formulate that with this one. Okay. In design, how many feet will the perimeter of the fountain increase for each additional square foot of the pad area? Okay. How many feet will the perimeter? It's saying that perimeter. That's why I'm going to solve for feet. Because we're going to focus on perimeter, and perimeter of the fountain increase each additional square foot of the area. So when I solve for feet, I subtract 4 from both sides. Is that right? So divide both sides by feet. Sorry, 4. That makes 8 over 4 minus 64 over 4. So 64 over 4 makes 16. So question. Read this again carefully. How many feet will the perimeter of the fountain increase? So we're talking about how many feet this one will increase for each additional square foot. Each additional square foot of the pad area. 1/4. Because good job. That is 1, right? So answer is going to be 1/4. These are the parabolas. The graph intersects the x-axis on x-axis at -1 and 0. So where is that? -1 and 0. X equals -1, 0 is here. So the graph is intersecting x-axis on at -1 and 0. And r comma 0. So r could be here, 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 anywhere else. We don't know that, right? Is that clear? We don't know it. Just if I know r, I'm going to put it down. I don't know r. The question is that, what is r? If the vertex of Q occurs at the point 2 and 4, x equals 2, y equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 is here, right? Somewhere else here. Now, so this is the vertex. Vertex means either this or that. So which one it looks like? Yeah, the first one, right? It looks like that one because it's the point is going all the way down like this. So you guys can complete the rest, right? It's supposed to be symmetrical. But it's going to cross where? Which point? This is going to be R, right? And how am I going to know that? I will know that with using axis of symmetry. This is, we call this one axis of symmetry. What is the number? 2. How do I know that? Because vertex is 2, 4. So this is x, axis of symmetry is 2. Then graph supposed to be symmetrical to this one. This is kind of acting like a mirror. So what is the distance here? Supposed to be equal distance here. Does that make sense? So what is that? This one was -1, correct? -1. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2. It's gonna pass through there. Does that make sense? So let's complete the graph. Okay. The graph intersects x-axis at here, -1 and 0, and here, r0. This is r, 0. So what is r? Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Liquid going through a cooling system is chilled so that the temperature decreases at a constant rate from 100 centigrade degree to 25 centigrade degree in 5 seconds. From 100 to, it's saying, okay, what degree the water boils? In what centigrade degree? 100, right? It goes from 100 degrees to 25 degrees C in 5 seconds. From here to here, it takes just 5 seconds. Okay, figure the following function represents temperature C in degrees. It's a function of time of the time t in seconds after chilling begins. Here, 0 to 5. So in 5 seconds, what's happening? It's gonna go from 100, and after 5, it's gonna go 25. What do you think? What's your answer, guys? Let's try the 100 minus 15 times, it's saying 0, right? At the beginning, when I plug it in here, 0, 15 times 0, 0. So 100 minus 0, it's at the beginning, that's right. Chilling is not started yet. And at the end, when I plug in 5, so t is going to be 5, 15 100 minus 15 times 5, 75. That makes 25 centigrade degree on the right point. That's scientist doesn't have anything to do and decided to estimate the relationship between the size of the Earth and the size of the which one? Which one is Jupiter? So, yeah, because okay, the formula for the volume of a sphere with radius r is shown above. The radius of the planet Jupiter is about 11 times the radius of the planet Earth. Let me write it down. 5 times r cubed. This is the volume of a sphere. So since Earth is a sphere, right? And Jupiter is a sphere, we can compare those two, right? So, and what is the data here? The radius of the planet is 11 times the radius of the planet Earth. So if this one I call 1, which is Earth, and another was supposed to be 5 times 11r to the power of 11 cubed, r cubed, yes. Yeah, that's right. You can just replace r with 1 and 11. It doesn't matter. Anyway, they will simplify. They will cancel out. What is the ratio, right? How many times? Okay, let's see that. When we find the ratio, cancel out, the answer is going to be 11, right? Yeah, 11, right? Okay, so result is r cubed over 11r parentheses cubed. So we call this one and then skip that. I don't know. R cubed over 11 cubed times r cubed. So these are cancel out. So that is 1 over 11 cubed. 11 times 11, 121. 121 times 11. 103,031. Exactly.
Exactly.
Okay. Which questions we worked on? 24.